Hello everyone. Today we will talk about the listing of Nodepay Airdrop. Before that, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more videos like this and to join our Telegram channels. Let's get into the details. As you know, Nodepay was supposed to carry out the listing operations yesterday. At least we can say that this was confirmed by an announcement made on the BitGet exchange stating that they would be listing around 1 p.m. on January 6, 2025, which is around 4 to 5 p.m. Turkish time. They had noted that they would open the withdrawal operations the next day, but this was denied by Nodepay. If you look at Nodepay's own Twitter account, there haven't been any posts related to this, like we are listing today or this is happening today. When this didn't happen, users naturally started asking this. Bitkey shared that you will be listed. Why aren't you sharing the listing? There was an announcement from Nodepay on Discord. They said, we don't know why Bitgate shared this listing on this date. They said, we haven't announced any date yet. Then was sent a screenshot. It is said that this screenshot taken from Nodepay's own Discord. As you can see here, it was shared as of today. What I said is happening yesterday. As of the 6th, I'm currently recording this video on the 6th. It seems that it will be listed. On January 14th, 2025, Nodecoin seems to be listed as NEC. Is this their own token or not? Will this date be postponed? Will it be postponed? We'll all see this together. This news is not 100% accurate, but I can say that January 14th is the date that seems most accurate, seems closest, and seems most probable at the moment. So to keep this in mind, I remember that this thing BitKit did had happened in a few Telegram projects before. What about BitKit's officials, support team, etc., who made this news? He is in a hurry, he has a problem, false news is entering, and this actually breaks the trust in Bitcoin a bit. But as I said, it seems like there are some personal issues rather than just problems with the exchange. It feels like the user who made the announcement or the authority behind it has some kind of problem, but I don't really understand what it is. Let me say, something about the project. As you know, we can currently see the amount of airdrop we received from Season 0, Season 1, before the airdrop listing. We will also see how much we will receive from the Season 2 airdrop before the clean page opens. So, if by the time the 14th comes, we still don't know how many tokens we received from Season 2, you can be sure that the listing won't happen on that date either. Right now, we can say there's about a week left just to keep it simple. And after we find out how many tokens we've earned from Season 2, they confirm that a claim page and a stake page will be opened. And when this page opens, we will already be recording another video. My guess is that the project will be listed, and after the listing, they will activate the CLIM transactions this way. Will actually prevent an immediate selling pressure, but still there will likely be some selling pressure. Overall, the current situation at Nodepay is like this. If you haven't received an airdrop from Season 2 yet, or if you're wondering what you need to do to receive rewards from Season 2, as far as I know, we are currently in Season 3. To receive rewards from Season 2, you needed to link your wallet within Nodepay by December 31st, 2024, which means before the new year. And you also needed to achieve the humanity milestone within Nodepay. If you did it before December 31st, you will receive an infinite amount of airdrop from Season 2. If you completed both of these actions I just mentioned before December 5th, I can say that you will receive rewards from Season 0, Season 1, and Season 2, meaning from everywhere. However, anyone who does it after December 5 but before December 31 will only receive rewards from Season 2. Just so, overall, that's what I can say about this video. If you have anything on your mind or something you want to ask, you can reach out to me through the comments or the Telegram chat channel. Wishing you all a great day and lots of profits. I wish you all a good day, lots of profits.